Hey everyone, Dan and Sarah here again, Homestead. Today we're going to make Haymaker's Punch. Simple ingredients all the way around. It's a very simple drink to make and it's very healthy for you. First off, you need some apple cider vinegar with the mother. That's just the cloudy apple cider vinegar. That's the beneficial good stuff for you. Just make sure it's the cloudy with the mothers in it. You're also going to need some honey. You can use raw sugar or sugar, any kind of sugar if you like. I like the honey, makes it a little easier to work with. And then some kind of citrus. I'm going to try lemons today. I've done lemons and lime, oranges. I've already cut them up. Got to squeeze the juice. And then the one ingredient is ginger root. I'll show you here. That's what it basically looks like. It comes from the store. Has the peel on it. They're not that expensive and they go a long ways. I got a little piece here. I've already peeled, ready to go. And that's what's going to go into the drink also. And the last ingredient is just basically some water. I'm going to use a quart jar. You can use a gallon, however much you like. A lot of this is to taste. The ginger, I like the ginger flavor. That's totally up to you. You can put as much or as less as you want in there, but you have to have some ginger. It's good for the bloating. As far as you're drinking too much liquid, you always feel real afterwards. This helps that. And you can drink this and you won't feel bloated at all out of it. Got my ginger put in, just some slices, some little chunks. And just take I'm using my lemon. It's going to take my lemon, I'm going to squeeze the juice out of it. I wouldn't recommend the store-bought already in those little yellow containers or the jars. They just don't turn out as good. Fresh is the preferred, better way of doing this. Back in the 1800s, they didn't have the jars already made up like that. It was just the fresh fruits. People would grow these, and this would be their summertime drink while out working in the fields. Now, like I said, a lot of this is to taste. I'm putting a whole lemon in. Some people prefer to maybe half a lemon. It's kind of like a lemonade, but it's got, the extra ingredients in it. Don't worry about the seeds or any kind of the pulp. You can strain that off after it's all done. Just run it through a strainer, get all that bits and pieces out of there. And as far as for the apple cider vinegar, to a quart, about a quarter cup, maybe a little less, maybe a little more. That's kind of preferred to your taste as to how do you like it. But that's the good probiotic right there. It's very good for your gut health. And then honey. Honey, great antibiotic. This whole drink is very healthy for you, and it's very tasty. And basically, that's all there really is to it. It takes just less than 5 minutes to make this. Put it all together. Your lid on, and then shake it up real good. You're trying to get the sugar dissolved. You can see it sitting there on the bottom. You're just trying to get that mixed up real good with everything. But basically, give it a good shake, and then basically you're done. Let it sit in the fridge 12 to 24 hours. I like making mine in the evening time, putting it in the fridge. And then for the next day, I have a good healthy drink to drink all day long. So I hope you all enjoy this. It's very good. you have to experiment a little bit on your ingredients as to what you like. So, but other than that, that's all there is to it, folks. So please smash that like button, subscribe, please share the video. I think this is a drink that most people will like, so they can get off of sodas and such. All the energy drinks. This right here is a very uplifting drink. So y'all take care now, and y'all have a good day, and we'll catch you up on the next one. Bye-bye.